When you can't think, what do you do? All your dead end attempts lead.
We are Sons of Gulliver, and this first song is called Desert Boogie.
You got gassing. Floor it. Don't stop. Pedal to the metal and show 'em what you got. Go. What you got? Come on down. What in the free your mind? Pedal to the metal and desert boogie. Now go. Ha, ha. Ha, ha. Give it to me. Ha, ha. What you got guessing? Floor. Don't stop. Pedal to the metal and show what you got. Go. Ha ha. Ha ha. Give it to me. Ha ha. Come on down. Put it on. Don't stop. Pedal to the metal and show what you got. Come on down. Put it on. Free your mind. Pedal to the metal and go boogie. Now come on down. Put it on. Don't stop. Pedal to the metal and show what you got. Come on down. Put it on. Free your mind. Pedal to the metal and desert boogie. Now go.
Hey everybody, it's Roger Productor back here at the Dead Dog Barn. Another episode Behind the Red Car. Today I've got Sons of Gulliver. Alright, I love this name already, but what's your name?
My name is Gonzo.
Say that again.
Gonzo.
Gonzo. Okay, sorry.
Justin.
Justin and Gonzo. Alright, now the name, let's go back to the name. Sons of Gulliver. Are y'all brothers?
Not really.
Okay, not really. Alright.
Almost, but...
Alright, so where did this name come from? I want to know.
So
The name came from, it's kind of a family thing. My brother, he's a musician from Alabama, and he was in a band back in the 90s called Gulliver. And it's kind of an homage to him and my family and everything. And we originally started the band being called Gulliver. And over time, we realized there's a bunch of other people called that, so we decided to change it to Sons of.
Okay. All right. So it's not a theme or anything. You got to go with any kind of theme. All right.
Some of the songs that we have are kind of concept where they kind of follow sort of a main character.
Okay. So some storytelling in the songs.
A little bit, yeah.
I like that because a bunch of nonsense is just a bunch of nonsense, but storytelling is cool. You know, I like storytelling.
We got plenty of nonsense and stuff.
I love nonsense too, but nonsense during telling, hey man, you know what I mean? It's gonna sound good, I hope.
Yeah.
I'm ready. I like it. The sound of it already. What is your what genre would we put you guys in?
What do you think? I would say it's like stoner rock-ish, or hard rock, stoner rock-ish, a little bit of metal.
I don't know. That's a rock. I mean, we like Black Sabbath, Caius, and from that, then we play Orphan. But we play a lot of rock and roll too. So
Yeah.
I'm really into blues music. So it's kind of he's more into metal music and in between.
Okay.
There's a space where we actually do Orphan.
He's originally from Spain, and he did a lot of blues rock type of stuff overseas, and came over here. So he's got a very kind of bluesy background, and I've got a more hard rock metal background.
Okay. So it's just two of you, and we got a drummer and a bass player.
Yep.
Are y'all looking for any more people?
No.
No, just you guys. Okay. So how long have you two guys been playing together?
A little over a year, I think. Isn't that right?
I don't know. Yeah.
A little over a year, about a year and a half, I guess.
You guys done many shows?
Oh yeah, we played DFW a lot. We're trying to play out in, like Austin, Houston, San Antonio. So far, we've played one show in Austin, and we'll be playing a few more in other cities.
All right. So you guys go on like you went to Austin, was it like a tour thing or just a one night thing?
No,
Or?
it's a one night thing. We're just trying to play as many shows as possible in as many different cities and kind of spread the name around.
Do you have other bands you like to do shows with?
Let's say Wooden Earth is one of them. Some of the other stoner rock bands. I really like to jump on with Temptress or somebody like that. They come through town. So.
Okay. You guys like do a whole night show like you're the only band, or y'all do just like the typical 4 or 5 bands in a
Typical, 3 or 4 bands.
so not the house band thing then?
Oh, we actually did play one house party a few months ago in Fort Worth. That was pretty cool.
Okay. Oh yeah. You guys do cover music?
We've done covers in the past. One of the covers we used to do was Black Betty by Ram Jam.
Okay.
We used to do that one, and working on a couple of other ones.
Speaking of Black Betty.
Yeah. Must be in the shot.
God
Show them the butthole. There you go.
Oh God. Move. Go. Man. So where would you like to travel to, like to play?
Really just anywhere in Texas. We'd like to eventually start playing surrounding states like Oklahoma, Louisiana, Arizona would be nice. Just different places around Texas.
Did y'all just do Austin one time?
So far, yeah.
Well, and did y'all like it?
Oh, yeah. That was awesome.
Yeah, most people have a good time down in Austin. That's
Yeah, we played with some awesome bands that
Pretty
night.
wild place.
Wearing one of the shirts right now.
all right.
Coyote Radio.
Okay.
Guys around in Austin. They're amazing. So.
All right. Cool. Shit, man. So you play places in Dallas.
Yeah.
Where are you playing Dallas these days? Because like everybody's shut down.
Yeah. we played Deep Ellum a lot. Pretty much all the venues in Deep Ellum. I think before O'Reilly's closed down, we played there a bunch of times.
Okay.
We played Denton a few times.
The taco joint or the pizza joint, whatever it is.
Killer Taco.
Everybody plays out there, right?
Yeah, we played there once, and then right after that show, they closed down.
Yeah, that man. I heard and everybody was like an awesome place, and I can't believe it closed.
Same thing with O'Reilly's. That place was like legendary. Everybody's spoke there.
Yeah, I mean, I guess it's just I think something rent went up or something. It's like you can't afford to pay the bills. I mean,
Kind of came out of nowhere too.
Yeah.
The last place I would have expected to close down in Dallas.
Yeah, no kidding. Yeah, you guys just playing Fort Worth?
We've played Ridgely a couple of times in Fort Worth, and that's about it.
You guys have the social medias?
Yeah, we're on Facebook, Instagram, pretty much all the social medias. We got our websites. Yeah, we're pretty much everywhere.
You guys, y'all have a fan base?
We're starting to get one, yeah.
Okay.
Playing a lot of shows and putting out music and stuff. And so,
Do you have any music videos out?
we do actually. We got 2 songs online right now. Our first single, Desert Boogie, which we did a sort of a cut together video with some B film footage and whatnot.
Nice. So do it yourself?
Yeah, he did that. Yeah,
Okay.
he did that.
Kind of a Mad Max kind of.
Mad Max.
But you just, like you said, some video footage from a B movie.
Yeah.
That sounds cool.
What was it? Road Warrior? Was that-
Road Warrior.
Yeah. We took clips from that movie and stuck it in with the music.
Okay.
And we got another music video. It's a performance video for our second single, Red Sun Blues. So we filmed that 4 months ago.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Before summer. Or something.
Yeah. And that's been getting a lot of traction. So probably gonna be doing another one here pretty soon.
Do you guys have music out on like Spotify or Amazon?
Yeah, we got 2 songs out for our upcoming EP, and they're both on Spotify and iTunes and everywhere else.
Do y'all have like, is that all you have out? Just 2 songs?
So far, just the 2. Yeah.
Okay.
We're in the process of trying to record the rest of the stuff for our EP, and hopefully that'll be coming out February, March next year, probably.
When you do that, are you gonna do it all digital, or are you gonna like do a CD?
Probably mostly all digital. We may have physical copies down the road. I'd like to do vinyl at some point, but that's kind of hit or miss.
I've heard a couple of people say that, dude.
Yeah.
Go back to the vinyl. Like, not even CD, you're talking like a record, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've heard people say this, and I'm like, this is crazy. People are gonna bring that back. That's cool, man.
Yeah.
It'll during all the songs, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good stuff.
That'd be awesome.
So, it's the end of the year. Are y'all doing any more shows now? I mean,
No, not right now. We kind of been taking a break from music for playing gigs for right now, just to focus on writing new material and recording and getting this next music video planned out and everything else. So
cool.
we'll be booking shows beginning of next year.
All right. Yeah, I mean, you're gonna definitely keep us informed and
Right.
let us know what's going on.
Yeah.
And get some of your music around here. I have an old CD player, put local music in, and
Yeah.
sometimes I'll play it, and people, who's that? Like, check it out. Pretty cool, you know. But fuck. Anyway, thank you guys for coming out, and
Yeah.
shit, I'm ready to hear some tunes and
Yeah, me too.
see what it's about. And
Yeah.
so, Sons of Gulliver on your social medias or your Spotify's, wherever you want to find
Spotify,
them.
Instagram, Facebook, all that good stuff.
Cool deal.
This song is a new one. It's called Feeding the Horse.
I was just trying to feed the horse. I was just trying to feed the horse. I don't remember how it all went wrong. Not too much bourbon, not too much rum. Had too much whiskey on the UFO. Not the concrete dudes they took me on. I wish I knew what was going down. I wish I knew what was going down. But I just ordered 12 shots on the rocks. Feeding the horse. Feeding the horse. Feeding the horse. Yeah! and long. She looked all silver, she let me go. Nameless numbness on the cornerstone. A little wonder may not be the lost. Dreading tequila, mezcal and hope. Been a straight night to feed the horse. Wide eyed asleep, adrenaline. Those little green dudes on mescaline. Feeding the horse. Feeding the horse. Feeding the horse. Ah!
This is our second single. It's called Red Sun Blues.
The last woman I felt. That woman was the first sheriff I met. And I wouldn't expect to find myself dead. But here I am, novelty of a starship down. I know you trusted me. I know I promised to be here. I was dead and I didn't care. Here under the red sun. It wasn't me. I didn't mean to kill no man. That was between the Lord and myself. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. I saw you burn to ashes in my dreams. But you weren't fighting fire when my hometown burned. On this desert wild, beneath the cold night sky, I gave you my word, you gave me double-sided lies. I saw you come for me. Now I hold you oh so near. I saw you burn and I didn't help. Here under the red sun, I wanted me. I didn't mean to kill no man. That was between the Lord and yourself. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Wow. in me. I didn't mean to kill no man. That was between the Lord and myself. I